In this video, I will show you how to get the AI chatbot on Discord. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, what you're going to want to do is have your own server set up. Now, this is in beta version at the moment, so it's not available to everyone. So you just want to check basically following these steps to see if it's currently available for your server. So to do this, what you're going to want to do is make sure you're on your server, and if you come up to the top left hand corner, you want to click onto the drop down box up here and then come down and click onto server settings. Next, what you want to do is come to the left hand side, and underneath the app section, if you do have it enabled, then you're going to see something called Clyde, which is the name of the chatbot. So to turn this on, as you can see, I've clicked onto it. It says it's currently a free experiment. So basically to turn this on, you just want to tick the toggle button here. So you can see it's now ticked, and then what we can do is come out of the settings and back into the server. And if you want to talk to Clyde, all you want to do is basically put @Clyde into the chat box here, and then just go ahead and ask a question. So for example, I'm just going to ask it, what day is it today? Hit enter. And as you can see, it says, according to my sources, today is June the 18th, 2023, happy Father's Day, because it is Father's Day here in the UK today. So yeah, that's basically how you go about using it. And if this tutorial helped you out today, then please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.